aircraft had spotted them and given us the information. When I arrived in the scene of action, I had another sister ship of mine called Betwa. It's another frigate. And from 1600 we started the negotiations. In the negotiations, despite our best efforts and persuasive attempts, did not go very further until well past midnight. And we continued the negotiations with tremendous patience and perseverance because hostages were our prime consideration. We didn't want to lose any one of them. We didn't want the crew, who were also held as hostages, to lose their lives. And we wanted to capture all the rebels also. So we had to be very patient with them, and we continued appealing to their good senses. And then gradually, a stage came when we had to escalate it to a point of warning, followed by a bit of minimal action, and that stopped the vessel, and he finally surrendered at 0854 hours.
You escalated with minimal action. What does that mean?
Well, a bit of scaring the chap first.
Yes. How did you do
How
that?
did you do that?
How did you scare them?
Just fire across the bows a couple of
How many
shots.
times?
Just a couple of times.
Couple of. This was with your main gun?
No, small one.
Yeah.
How did the ship sank? Why?
Oh, the ship.
Yeah, why?
You see, what happened was, as soon as they surrendered, we had the hostages taken on board, and then we separated the rebels out and the rebel leader out. So we took the rebel leaders and this one. We attended to the medical attention of some of them who required and hospitalization, etc. Completely evacuated the ship. There was nobody on board.
Marine commanders went on board?
There was nobody on board by the time when we got them all on board. And probably, I think, there was a small little fire that was set up by, during the gun action. That might have had something to do with the ship. So I do not know the full details of it because I have been taking the hostages and some of the people who wanted to reach here. So I have been out at sea there. More details of...
How many Maldivians came with you?
with me just now? I had brought 8 hostages back.
Yes.
Eight of them are at Trivandrum Hospital. That makes a total of 16.
Yes.
And 4 of them on board my sister ship, which should be arriving tomorrow morning.
We heard that 4 of them were killed. Is it true?
Well, the total number is available, I think, with the High Commissioner. When we come there, I think probably we can give you the whole this one. Total number of hostages were 28.
Yeah.
20 were
many
captured.
killed?
20, 20,
Who were staff with you?
27. isn't it?
27 was the number given to us. However, one is
Yeah.
not too certain
Think,
of the number because the conditions under which they ran away. The exact number of Maldivians is not known. However, the foreigners' number is known.
Total is 28.
How many killed?
20 alive,
Yes.
right? 4 killed, and
Where
3
are they?
3 to 4 unaccounted for.
Were they killed after you did something or before that?
Well, I really do not know because you see, I never went on board the ship at all.
Did you hear shots from the ship?
Out at sea with a lot of breeze blowing there, it's very difficult to know as to when and what time did these chaps do that.
Can we go back to the fire? Was this you said it might have been caused by gunnery? Was this Indian gunnery which might have created that fire?
Not really from what the reports are. There was a lot of oil on board. Maybe there's spare fuel.
One second. You see, what happened was in the final stages, we had to put one shell onto the forecastle, to stop the chap. And probably that might have caused a small little fire. And that is to scare the chaps out.
So you actually struck the ship.
We did strike once. Right, sir.
Excuse me,
Thank you very much.
What time Mercer is going to come aboard? I'm sure.
I think that's being worked out, and I think the details probably, will be known to the High Commissioner, the National Security, and the
It
others.
goes like this, you see.
And
Some of these things do.
You have not received instructions?
According to me, I have accomplished my mission. And the second portion of the story actually, starts off, with them.
How
Could you-
many,
could
how
you-
many of
could
the
you
prisoners are
also-
injured, please?
Which one?
How many of the prisoners are injured? The mercenaries.
Oh, the exact number I do not know, but I think not many of them.
Right, roughly.
Is it Mr.
Half a dozen, 1 dozen.
10, more than
Maybe
10?
about 1 or 2.
Can you,
I think, sir, we
confirm
sleep.
one other thing?
High Commissioner is
Captain,
waiting,
the, we've been told that when they surrendered, you told the mercenaries that they had to jump overboard and be picked up by launchers. Is that correct?
No, not really.
What did happen?
What is correct? What is correct?
What is correct?
My God, it's very
I think
interesting.
we're getting
I tell you
later.
what, I'll just come back to you again.
Excuse me, gentlemen. I think it's about time that we get
You know.
Confirm this last point. And then
Hey, I thought you were only a photographer. Don't know.
We didn't tell them
Sir,
to
I think
jump
we'll
and
have
all
to.
that. I had to pick them up. You know how the mercenaries have got to be picked up.
Yeah.
So the same way I picked
But
them
who-
up and then...
Who jumped overboard first? The hostages or the mercenaries?
No, nobody jumped overboard. We brought them all back.
No. This is to be picked up by you.
did you pick them up back from the water?
Sorry. Oh, I will be stepping into us.
Or who? A Navy commander?
Year of the armed attack on Male on the 3rd of November and the reports of death and injury.
Ngerumu algondo forta ma hedi gotaki ama jegen hori horawi building farm mati area awa fubmali ma de moonu macha udair kole bane amerikan ase hori den bayali konta kunto de andane bayali ru bandu de faban den awa bandu de fabadi maluga atum baran hifatage
Talbin was report na sebetibba lecce danwada ඒක තේරෙක ෆස්ට් ස්ටිම් මීහුන් හිමිනක මං අලවන්න මෙන خبر ලිප්වානේ ආදමි හර්මි කියන්නේ වෙන ලුත්ෆි ඉංගත back please මර මෙතනක වර කන්ත තෙබුරි no ලුත්ෆියා සගරුනාසි ada alun Lutfiya sagar Nasir ade mi hunge batibi wara boda guard koreveken Nasir miha nuba amale korumuge maqsad ki koba
ऊपर मत चढ़ो इसके थोड़ा दाएं बाएं हो जाओ
ade evs ka jawab nor benge talone wara maseke korang eba badda ve to mi har wara rangala guard koreveken gendani ei mi kamuge emme bodu bayen ada ko kawade mi berteren saragina gena adu eba even etan mi kamuge emme bodu bayen ada ko fawa emme no ba amalta hinga fade mi hunna adhiyare de mihun sifange bedumuge dafun gangala guard koregen gendani National Security Service headquarters adimada dalone ma kareka deve gota miharak noy alone mic ge wagandu tankole kurumu ehna mes waran etanuka kanta tebber tibefna fen wadanwana berteren ive adues mihar tibefna e wadanwana ade e demihun tibi wara rangala hire korefa wara rangala guard korefa gende gota gengos miharu National Security Service ge headquarters gende jad ei mi bag hunge aton kommes kala mawdo matali beto ehna me semi humani wara rangala sifange belum ge dashga report na me humara karege betbe tibe funa miharu amu ge eke adu ivena ade wara rangala sifange bellum ge dashuga emi hun tibi waran eterega evs kahada amale lutfiya nukurave gota wara rangala bandefa wani wara rangala guard kurefa wara boda bandefa ege pahatun anika e baade mi sagaru nasiru engato mikamge emme bodu emme noba miha mi emme bodaka naga kiya alono ekako ade sagaru nasiru alono kodoko kar velana
මාලේ අලගොන්නේ දුත්පිය අලගොන්න ඔයග මාලේ අය දුත්පිය දැන් කීපුර කලේ ඔන්නේ මාලේ මක්වත් එක බඩේ බඩේ එහෙම යනවා දුත්පිය ඕඩර් අලගොන්න මාලේ සාඩ් ප්ලීස් Lutfi's order he came.
Sorry?
He came by the Lutfi's order.
He said, he'd been ordered by Lutfi.
He said, why do you came to Mali?
Yeah.